Organizing a potluck, a guide to community feasting. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a wonderful community event that brings people together through the love of food, organizing a potluck. If you're curious about what a potluck is, how to organize one, and why it's such a beloved tradition in many cultures, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the joy of sharing meals and learn how to host a successful potluck. A potluck is a gathering where each guest contributes a dish to be shared among the group. Unlike traditional parties where the host prepares all the food, a potluck distributes the effort and allows for a variety of dishes. The beauty of a potluck lies in its simplicity and the surprise element. You never quite know what you're going to get, but there's always something for everyone. Organizing a potluck comes with several benefits. It reduces the stress on the host, encourages cultural exchange through different cuisines, and fosters a sense of community and belonging. Potlucks are a fantastic way to celebrate diversity, enjoy good food, and make lasting memories with friends, family, or colleagues. Step 1. Set the date and venue. Choose a date and venue that works for most of your guests. It could be at someone's home, a community center, or a local park if the weather permits. Step 2. Plan the menu. To ensure a variety of dishes, it's a good idea to coordinate the menu. You can do this by creating a sign-up sheet where guests can list what they're bringing. This prevents duplicates and ensures a balanced meal. Step 3. Communicate clearly. Make sure to communicate the details clearly to your guests. Include information about the time, location, what kind of dish to bring, and if there are any dietary restrictions to consider. Step 4. Prepare for the event. As the organizer, ensure you have enough plates, utensils, and serving tools. Also, plan how the food will be kept warm or cool as needed. Creating labels for each dish can also help guests know what they're trying. For both hosts and guests, there are a few etiquette tips to ensure a smooth potluck. Guests should bring dishes that are ready to serve and in a container they don't need back immediately. Hosts should be prepared with extra serving utensils and space in their fridge or oven for keeping dishes at the right temperature. Organizing a potluck is all about community, sharing, and enjoying a diverse spread of homemade dishes. It's a wonderful way to connect with others and create a welcoming atmosphere. We hope this guide helps you host a memorable potluck that your guests will cherish. Happy organizing, and let the feast begin. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.